Hey guys, Southeast Softwash here. It's Tuesday and I wanted to do this video to you guys and offer you a new product. Just kind of see if you guys might be interested in this. It's something that I've tossed around doing a few times. We've actually built one for a couple guys that bought equipment from us, just a little maintenance toolkit. The reason I've never launched it is because I already know what's going to happen. When you look at this thing, it doesn't look like there's that much money sitting here in this little box, but it adds up pretty quickly. So you do the math, figure out what it would cost you to put this toolkit together. This is the one that I usually keep in my personal truck. Anytime I put the Max Pro on the truck and we're going out to do any work, it's nice to just have these basic parts, fittings, basic tools that'll get you out of 95% of little quick fixes in the field. So let's run through it and show you what you would get, and then we'll talk about the pricing on this box. So if we decide to do this, it'll be a Milwaukee pack out box like this, the small box. It fits inside of our, show you these little boxes here on our skids. It'll fit right in here, no problem. So you can just keep it on the skid. Obviously, if you're running a trailer, it'll fit inside the box on the front of the trailer as well. So what we've got is just, it's not every single tool, but it's gonna be mostly everything you would ever need out in the field to do repairs. So a nice box, weatherproof. Now this is an old one, so don't pay attention to the tools that are rusty. It'll all be brand new stuff, obviously. So what we'll have in here, I like these because they've got the dividers. We'll have a check valve for you. That'll be in there. We'll have a spare banjo micro valve for the wine. So if you bust your valve, you've got a spare one of those as well. And that container, another container, will have two of each. So a elbow, half-inch elbow, two soap tips, quarter-inch barbs, and a couple of the straight half-inch barbs. So we'll have those in a little compartment. You'll have some basic tools. It'll all fit in here, not this size. It'll be a little smaller, and it'll be a new one. A small screwdriver, probably not this one because it doesn't fit perfectly down in the little slot. So we'll find a little bit shorter screwdriver, but just basic stuff here. And a small wrench. I actually really like this little DeWalt. A small adjustable wrench. They've got to be this dimension because I'm going to put them in this long pouch here. So when we set this to the side, we'll come back and talk about that in a second. A spool of Teflon. This is Blue Monster. We really like this. It's thicker than normal Teflon tape, so that'll be in there. A spare spray head for your wine. That'll be in there. A small tub of True Blue. I don't, it's sitting over there somewhere. Well, let me grab it right here. We'll throw one of these in there. So you should have this on your truck at all times. Anytime you've got to break a seal on a fitting, you got to reseal it up. So we'll have a little tub of True Blue in there as well. And with the tools in that compartment, some electrical stuff, a 12-volt switch, 30-amp switch, a couple of ring terminals, a couple of female plug connectors, just all kind of basic little stuff like that. Probably throw in a few wire nuts just to make a quick, just in case you need them. A quarter-inch quick connect for the wand. These don't really break, but if it starts going out on you, getting rusty, you can just change it out. You'll have a spare one of those. A 3/8 quick connect, which goes on your pressure washer wand, your surface cleaner, any of that kind of stuff. That'll be in there as well. And you know, half a dozen hose clamps, throw that in there. Just trying to think of all the stuff that I've ran this kind of toolkit for a long time. It's pretty much all you ever need. And if you select it, we'll put it on the website, and this will be an option because you may not want this. It's expensive. We're not going to make any money off of it. We're just going to charge you what it cost us. A GF valve, a spare GF valve. So that'll be in the box if you add that. So here's the thing. We're not going to have endless thousands of, hey, I want 4 hose clamps instead of 6. No, it would be a nightmare trying to build these boxes. So they've got to be basically the same, but we will let you pick the option to have another GF or not. So or a GF or not. So that'll save you $100 if you don't want this, or if you want to go ahead and get it and have a spare, it'll cost you an extra $100. So that'll be the only variable in the box. Now, without the GF, it's going to be about $250, $255. And again, I just sat here and did the math on what this cost me, just pure cost. We're making about 45 bucks on this, okay? So if you add the GF, it'll be about $350. We're making the same $45. And this is gonna be one of them things that takes a minute to do in the shop. Like, we'll have to order all this stuff and throw it all in a box. It's not like an easy one, it's not hard. We'll have the guys build them and ship them out. So I know when you look at this box, that don't look like $350, but it is. It adds up pretty quickly. So either $250 or $350 without the valve. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in getting this little toolkit here, and drop some comments down there if you think I'm leaving anything out. I don't think I am, because I've been doing this a long time, and I've kind of looked at it. And Ty's remind me of something. Throw it here, Ty. Can't believe I called that. We will put a pack of fuses in there, so you'll have some spare fuses. That's one we did mention earlier, and then I forgot as soon as I started the video. So if you're interested in one of these maintenance toolkits, here you go. We will be glad to get you one built and shipped out to you, and that'll get you out of 99% of your in the field repairs.